Hello friends! Embark on an exciting journey through the realm of survival gear crafted with men in mind, handpicked by seasoned experts. Uncover a range of indispensable tools and equipment crafted to elevate your outdoor adventures and guarantee readiness for any scenario. Introducing the Surviveware Survival First Aid Kit. Ever wished for a first aid kit that's more than just bandages and wipes? Well, here it is, right on your screen. This kit goes above and beyond by not only covering the basics, but also serving as a survival kit. Packed with essentials like a signal mirror, folding knife, multi-tool, emergency blanket, and more, it's your ultimate outdoor companion. Plus, everything is neatly organized with labeled sections for easy identification. Black for survival gear, red for first aid, and green/blue for hygiene. And the best part, it's all yours for just $90. Meet the InstaFire Inferno, your ideal camping companion for keeping warm. Don't let its compact size fool you. This powerhouse can heat up to a scorching 650 degrees Celsius, and its flames remain robust even in winds of up to 13 meters per second. Forget about running out of fuel if you're low on fire starter pouches or fire pucks. Simply grab some branches and you're good to go. Boil water in just 2 minutes and savor a piping hot meal wherever you are. The InstaFire Inferno is available for $140. Take a look at this extraordinary tool, the Nebo Pal Plus. It's not just a knife, it's also a flashlight and a power bank all in one. The Nebo Pal Plus can run for about 13 hours on its lowest setting, making it a marvel of engineering. Weighing approximately 200 grams, it's compact at 12.7 centimeters when folded and extends to 21.3 centimeters when unfolded. Plus, it comes with a micro USB to USB cable included. You can get your hands on this versatile knife for $68. When you're out camping, there's always so much to take care of, like chopping firewood, or digging fire pits, or even setting up your tent. That's where the Max Kit steps in to make your life easier. At its heart is an 86 centimeters long axe, accompanied by a hoe, a shovel, and 6 other essential tools ready to tackle any job. With such versatility, there's no limit to what you can do, letting your creativity run wild. All these tools fit snugly into a backpack, with an extra case provided for the axe. The Max Kit is so practical that many believe it should be a standard addition to any vehicle built for rugged adventures, hence the price tag of $289. Have you ever heard of a via ferrata? It's like a climbing route, but with ropes, anchors, and steps added in to make it more accessible and safer than climbing on natural rock surfaces. They're great for beginners or those still getting comfortable with climbing. Take a look at this kit tailor-made for tackling via ferratas, priced at $336. The seller boasts that it's the most innovative and safest kit out there, and weighing in at less than a kilogram, it's suitable for temperatures as low as -35 degrees Celsius. Introducing the Exod Monolith tent, a single-person shelter built to conquer all 4 seasons and unlock limitless outdoor adventures. It's hailed as the future of camping, resembling a sleek pod straight out of a sci-fi movie, perfect for earthly adventures. Crafted with carbon fiber components and inspired by kite wings, it's incredibly lightweight at under 3 kilograms and can be effortlessly set up in just 15 seconds. While the price may seem steep at $858, there's a silver lining: free shipping with a promo code. Is it possible to rely solely on a credit card for survival? Well, only if there's electricity. Otherwise, seasoned survivalists would swap their plastic cards for something like the Adventur 3.0 multi-tool. This lightweight wonder, made of titanium, weighs just 39 grams and packs a punch. It serves as a knife, an axe, a spear, a sundial, a fire starter, and even a wrench, among other things. For all these life-saving features, it'll cost you $45. Introducing the Backpack Barge 2.0, a must-have for hunters, fishermen, and nature lovers. This versatile gem doubles as a folding boat, with a hefty 136 kilograms capacity. But wait, there's more. It transforms into a tub for cleaning fishing gear, washing dogs, or chilling drinks with its spacious 125 liters capacity. Let your imagination soar and your adventures begin for just $120. Just don't forget to find a Check out these fearless matches. Lifesystems Stormproof matches aren't afraid of a little water. Priced at around $12 for a set of 25. Each match burns for about 20 seconds, come rain or shine, even in strong winds. Plus, they're lightweight at just 60 grams and won't hog much space in your bag or backpack. Thinking about what to include in your compact bag. How about the Mini Striker RD crossbow? This lightweight reverse draw pistol crossbow, weighing just 2 kilograms, is perfect for hunting. With a force of 68 kilograms, it can accurately shoot small animals like hares from a distance of 30 meters. Its arrows fly at a speedy 120 meters/second, making it quite impressive for its size. For $300, you'll receive the Mini Striker RD along with 3 arrows. Introducing the floating waterproof dry bag backpack. While it's perfect for water recreation enthusiasts, its features are bound to catch the eye of others too. Available in sizes ranging from 5 to 40 liters, it guarantees dependable protection against water, sand, mud, and snow. And the best part? It won't sink if it accidentally falls into the water. Get your hands on the 5-liter backpack for just $11. Protect yourself from snake bites with the Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gaiter. With 5.8 million snake bites reported annually, investing in these gators for $992.5 million seems like a wise move. The manufacturer guarantees rigorous testing against 25-gauge needles and Australian snakes, showing no punctures or bites. While highly effective, it's recommended to wear these gaiters with sturdy leather shoes and durable pants for extra protection. Crafted from 600D polyester, they also feature water-repellent properties.